Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Maggie. As you can see, I'm already baking. My mirror was tilted. I already did my eyebrows, foundation, concealer, and I have translucent powder right here. I already did all these steps because the eye look that I'm doing for the third day of Christmas, is kind of, it's not super intricate, but with the shadows I am using, I am expecting quite a bit of fallout, and this is the easiest way for me to do it. This is the one that I'm the most excited about. It's a fun one. So, let's get started. I am using two palettes today. Yes, one of them is the James Charles palette. I know. Big surprise. But the blues, I'm using blue shadows today. And the blues in this palette are beautiful. I am also using the NYX Ultimate Shadow palette. And it has some really pretty, like this blue and this blue, I think are the ones I'm going to use. Sorry. I'm going to use for today's look. Trying to decide where I want to start. So I'm going to take this big, huge, fluffy brush. And I'm going to go into Playground. I'm just going to, ooh, I only tapped it twice. Okay. And I am going to go like these. We're just going to we are going to pull this kind of high because I'm going to need all of this real estate space to use to draw things. Oh, that is such a pretty blue. I love it. I'm going to tap into, it's kind of similar but a little bit different. I'm going to tap into this blue shade that is in the NYX palette. These shades don't have shade names, so I'm just going to show you that it's this blue one right here. To maybe deepen it a little bit, but not a lot. Because I don't want this shade to be super dark. But I'm also going to buff out those edges a little bit, since this shade in this palette is slightly lighter. Okay, we are done with the light blue, and I'm going to go in with a dark blue. I'm going to use Cola from James's palette. It's a really, I have not used this shade yet, but it's beautiful in the palette. Look at that. Oh my gosh. When I first started to do makeup, I used to count how many times I tapped my brush. I'd be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then when I do one eye, and then I'll do the other eye, and I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's just like, I don't know why I did that. It's just something silly that, for whatever reason, thought did something. I'm loving how this is turning out already. Oh my gosh. I've never done blues like this before. I love it. We're taking a break from eyeshadow, and I'm going to cut my crease. I'm not very good at this, so don't judge. Put my mirror closer, so if you see this right here, the top, that's my mirror. So the thing that I find easiest when cutting the crease is I will do a line kind of along my lash line, right? And then I'll go, And then I just follow this line. I know I am not the person who invented that trick. Believe me, I obviously learned it from someone. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with hello. So we're still not done with eyeshadow. We gotta do like the under eye and stuff like that, but I am done with like the main part, so I'm gonna sweep away my bake. See? See? Now there's nothing underneath from fallout. Right now, I'm going to use white eyeliner and we're going to get a little fun. I'm going to go like this. I'm going to draw snowflakes. I'm done with that part. Okay, I am adding a little bit of black eyeliner. Not really a lot of black eyeliner. I'm using Suava Beauty. I'm using their grease black eyeliner. I love it. It's honestly one of my favorites. I'm just gonna go like this and go along my lash line. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. It's crazy how much I actually enjoy it. Okay, so I'm going to take this dark blue shade and put it on my lower lash line just very faintly. I'm so glad I actually decided to do this look because I almost didn't because I was kind of intimidated. But I love how it's turning out. It's so pretty. I think it's pretty. You might not, but I do. And that's what matters. I'm gonna go in with mascara, and I am for sure putting on lashes today. I'm not putting my lashes on camera though. So I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. Lashes are on. They gave me terrible trouble. This is why I don't do them often because I really suck at doing lashes. I did really simple ones. I didn't want to do crazy ones, but I wanted to put some on to add a little extra oomph, I guess, to the look. I'm going to contour my face. I'm using my Too Faced bronzer. You're not new here. If you are, this is my favorite bronzer. It is the milk chocolate one from Too Faced. I've been using it for a long time. Really long time. Not this exact one, but this bronzer. For blush and highlight, I'm going in with my Ofra by Madison Miller Little Trio set. I'm going to use the blush that is in this. It's such a pretty faint pink blush, which is, as you know, my favorite kind of blushes. Little faint pinky tones. It's just pretty to me. For highlight, I'm going to go in with this one over here. For lips, I am doing a peachy nude. I'm going in with Dirty Peach from Kylie Cosmetics. This color always looks so bright when you first put it on, but then it dries down into like a fainter nude. Alright guys, that is what I have for you today. I love how this look turned out. I could not be happier with it. Definitely my favorite so far, and it probably will stay my favorite because this was the one that I was most excited to do. When I was planning it all out, this was the one that I was like, this is gonna be the one that I like the most, I guarantee it. And it is. Like, I love how it turned out. Make sure you subscribe and like before you move on to the next one. See you tomorrow.
On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree.
I'm using the blush. It's the only brush. Blah, 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 blah.